What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess crew? It's your girl, Mayhembeauty, back with another wig video. And this time I gave another try to Amazon HD lace, which is not HD, they lied. But anyway, let's go on ahead and get it poppin'. So this wig is from Amazon from a company called Miss Fan. It's 100% human hair. So inside the box, it's the directions to how to take care of the wig, and you get a paper with their information on there, an adjustable strap, and of course the actual wig. Now this wig is supposed to be the HD transparent lace, a loose wave with the baby hairs. I got, I think, 18 inches in 30% density. Now, of course, it comes with your standard net on there, and as well as with the piece of paper that holds the wig together, like the mold of the wig. So, yeah. Inside of the cap, you are going to get 4 combs, which 3 are in the front and 1 is in the back, as well as some adjustable straps. Love the lace on the wig, because this is actually one of the very few that I have that actually go well with my skin tone, but it is not HD lace. That lace was a tad bit hard, and I know HD lace is supposed to be kind of soft-ish. Yeah, just you get me, girl, right? So upon washing this wig, I did go on ahead and comb all of the hair back so I can pluck it, because I didn't like the hairline. The hairline looked like I went to the barber shop. It was like, line me up, and I did not want that. So I decided that I was going to pluck the hairline, as well as get behind the hairline so it wasn't like hairline hair. We wanted a nice gradual fade. Now, I'm not a stylist. It's a shame I gotta say this in every video. I am not a professional or anything like this. I just show you what I have learned with my own experiences. I'm not saying this is the correct way or the wrong way to do it. You just do it of what makes sense to you. So after I was done, this is what the best of my ability and my knowledge looks like. It looked pretty darn good to me. So I tried something new, which was actually putting on this wig with it being on my head, and that was mistake number 1 for me. I would never do that again. I would most definitely try and do this on a wig head like I usually do, but I'm kind of happy I did and I didn't. So I like the fact that when I put it on, I could see where my ear tabs needed to go, because actually one side of the wig, the ear tab was longer than the other one. So here you just see me trying to part it where the top of my ear is, and I'm gonna take some scissors and basically just cut that straight back, because it wasn't fitting so well around my face and it was hitting my ear, and that's not what we want. So take you a good comb and part to where you see the tip of your ear, and take some scissors and cut it straight back. Now, because I am not a wig wearer, I am going to go ahead and use this Got To Be and put this on the front of my head so it doesn't move. So I take it, I spray it on the front of my head and blow dry it on cool air and make sure it doesn't move. And then later on, I'm going to go ahead and spray around the sides so I can line those up pretty well. And I know you can see my wig cap. It is okay. After this video, that wig came straight off because I said before, I am not a wig wearer. I only wear them for purposes of videos. So this is my mistake number 2 for me. I like to cut my lace. I figured that out about myself. I like to cut my lace not on my head. I could see it a whole lot better considering that lace blended so well with my skin tone. It was kind of hard to see, so that was mistake number 2 for me. So after I cut the lace off of the wig, I'm going to go ahead and touch up some pieces that I have missed with the Got To Be freeze spray and go ahead and adhere that down. And this is mistake number 3. So I am attempting to cut me some baby hair. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a minute, you know that baby hair on wigs is my nemesis. I should have left it alone. It looked good without the baby hair. It really did. But nah, I wanted to be extra and add some baby hair. So here I am trying to cut some baby hair, but I think I left the baby hair too long. So this was as good as it was gonna get. So I used this Nairobi lotion to go ahead and make the so-called quote-unquote lace melt and try to do my baby hair. As you can see, I'm struggling already. I don't know what it is with wigs and baby hair that I cannot do, but I just can't do it. So after that, I went ahead and tied it down and said, forget it. This is as good as that's gonna get. And after I tied that up, I went ahead and blow dried to make sure that it was in place. But yeah, I'm just not satisfied with the way my baby hairs came out. I will keep practicing that. I think I'm gonna cut them shorter and this time do all my customizing off of my head and on a mannequin head. So this is what this wig looks like after it's all done. The baby hairs is just it's alright. It's just not to my likings, but it's cute. It's, you know, whatever. It's down. So I decided I wanted a side part. So here I am parting the wig, trying to style it and fill exactly where those tracks were, because this was a lace front with the parting in the middle, so it wasn't a lot of parting space on the sides. So yeah, styled it, took that lotion, that Nairobi styling lotion or whatever it's called, and put that through my hair in the front to give it more waves. And I believe that's all I did. I mean, she cute. I like the hair. The hair is really soft. It did shed, not a lot, but just a tad bit. The lace was on par. Is it HD lace? Not at all. It's not HD lace at all. So everything that I use in this video will be linked down below.